Hi, welcome back. My name is Sahira and this is my lovely Peanut. And today we're having golden chicken drumsticks and butternut squash fries. And Mr. Peanut is having liver and he's excited. So it's my first time I made this. I quickly walked you through how I made those chickens, and I tried 4 different kind of sprinkle on it, and we're gonna talk about it, and I'll let you know which one I like better, and you tell me which one you like better. So if you like to see the making process, go ahead and watch it. If not, just get to the eating part. Hi. So today I'm gonna show you quickly how I'm gonna make my gold chicken drumstick for the first time. I've never made them. I washed the chicken drumstick, and I'm using lemon zest, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, onion powder, seasoning salt, turmeric. Everything is about 1 teaspoon, except the turmeric. I added a little bit more, teaspoon and a half. So I'm gonna mix everything in, and I'm gonna add some onion, some oil, sorry, not onion, tons of onion oil, and just mix it. And for vegetables, I'm making butternut squash fries. I'm adding cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and seasoning salt to it, and some onion, onion. What's happening with onion today? I'm calling everything onion. Oil, not onion. I must be thinking or dreaming about onions today. So mix, shake. So my chicken is ready now. I mixed it well. Now I'm gonna add it to the air fryer. And again, you cook it as much, depends your air fryer, it depends how well cooked you want it. You cook it as much as you want to cook it. While my chicken is cooking in the other air fryer, I'm gonna put my butternut squash fries in the oven air fryer. So my chicken is ready now, and I'm gonna use this Carolina style honey Dijon sauce to dip it in. So there's my chicken ready. Make sure there's lots of sauce all over. So I have 3 kind of dust I got this from Amazon. No, I got this from Bulk Barn. I got this from Amazon, and this is from Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree one, I tasted it, it's very sugary. This one, the Amazon one, I'm not very sure. I hope it's edible. So, ooh, it says chocolate. Oh my goodness. Oh, definitely it looks good. Ooh. I'm not sure if I should put too much or not. Anyways, it looks good. I'm gonna try the one from Bulk Barn. It's a little bit sweet. is gold. It's almost disappearing. And I'm gonna use the Dollar Tree one. It's technically just colored sugar. So there. Also, I have those leaves. I'm not sure how I'm gonna use them, but I bought them off of Amazon. I'll try to put a few leaves. They look very tiny. Ooh. Don't want it to stick. It's very delicate. Hopefully this whole sprinkle that I'm using, this gold sprinkle, it's good to eat. It was supposed to be for food, so I got this one from Bulk Barn, this one from Amazon, this one from Dollar Tree, which is technically just colored sugar, and this is a leaf from Amazon. So I'm gonna start with this one. There. Look wise, to be honest, the leaf is more realistically more golden, but this one, it got smeared on. It looks like it's just smeared on, but we'll see. Let's see the taste. Cheers. It's good. It's a little bit sweet because it said chocolate dust, so it means it's good for food, but it's sweet and sticky. And it doesn't show too much, so. And Mr. Peanut is excited for his liver. I think the chicken itself, the way I made it, is good. So yeah, this shows more than the other two, but less than the leaf one, but I used lots of it, so up here. Let me try this one. Ooh, this is the one I got from Bulk Barn. Let's see if the dust. It's sweeter. Because of the turmeric and the amount of powder I put in and the sauce, the Dijon mustard sauce, the honey Dijon sauce. It's sweeter and it's very sticky. But it's good. And this one, I bought it from Dollar Tree. It was technically just colored sugar, so I made only one. Definitely this one is way more sweeter. I could feel the sugar in my mouth, the crunch of the sugar. Very sweet. But the chicken is good. I destroyed this napkin. And I made this butternut squash like fries. I added lots of cayenne pepper to it. That's why I'm gonna use some ranch. It's good. The butternut squash made this way, it's almost like eating sweet potato, but in a softer form. And now this one. Here, take a bite. This one. By the way, this was for 16 sheets. It was about $16. So it was a little bit costly, but those sheets were very tiny. They're even smaller than this. There's inside one, and it's very hard to work with them. You have to be very careful. So those sheets, they look more realistic gold, 24 karat gold, but I think they'll be good for a small project, not to cover a chicken. And now I know why all those chickens, they're sold expensive, because it takes lots of gold to make them. So let's try this one. I don't taste the sheets at all. No. Yes, sir, Mr. Peanut. There you go, my love. Huh? You don't want your liver? Mm. So, definitely this is the winner. If you want to impress your friends or you make something different, spend the extra money and get the sheets, but be careful. And I don't think you need to cover it all the way. Yeah, that's the best. The other dusting ones, they didn't turn out good, but yeah, that's the best. So let's get to the eating part now. Now that you know which one is better. Mm. 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 Bubbly time. Cheers. Yes, it's good. I need the bubbly with this spicy butternut squash fries. I ate too much gold dust today. I hope it's not bad for to eat this much, because this one I added too much. This one, even though it doesn't show too much, but there was a lot. Mm. Yeah, eat your liver. No? More. One more, let's see. Yeah. Definitely I can taste the dust. But not as much as this one or the other one. The sheets don't taste too much sweet. It just gives you the look. Mm. Mm. Mr. Peanut. It's very spicy. You can't eat my food. Sorry. Mm. Mr. Peanut, here. He's so funny. I dip it in the cayenne pepper, he's gonna eat it. Let's dust off some of this gold dust. That's the other one. This is more pinkish, peachy color, not gold. Even though it said on it gold, but it doesn't look gold. It's good. I think those gold dust, they would be good for baking, because they give lots of sugar, lots of sweetness. I can find a piece with no dust on it. Very sticky, very messy. I've been wanting to do this forever. This is my first time, by the way, but I'm glad I did it. It's out of my system. I don't think I'll do it again. I need some lemon to wash off this. The sweetness. Too much sweetness in my food. I'm not used to it. I want to clean my taste buds, so when I eat my last piece, it doesn't taste too sweet. There you go, Mr. Peanut. No? Here. Oh no, he knows now I'm tricking him. Here. No. This butternut squash too, it's my first time making it into fries. It's a good idea. I like it. It is almost exactly like sweet potatoes, but softer, not as hard. My last piece. There, have another bite. It looks good. Definitely, this is the one. The gold sheets are the way to go. Nice peanut. Let's give him some. Yes, he likes it. Let me save him some of the absolutely delicious. Now I experimented on a few different gold dust. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had this, the gold chicken drumsticks or gold chicken wings, and if you're thinking to make them. This gives you an idea, and it gives me an idea what to do, which one is the best. So yeah, the gold sheet, it's the best. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, have a great day. Bye. Love you. Bye.